Alright, so we're gonna be drawing some tutorials, man. You know, I'm tired of using my brain. We gotta find something different. Isn't there like all-in-one? There's no all-in-one like tutorial. See, this is why we can't learn in the first place. We got stuff like this going on. Ah, damn, bro. I've been looking for like 5 minutes and I can't find anything. See, this is where most people be like, nah, maybe this isn't for me. Maybe it's not for me. Maybe it's not. Maybe I'm the problem. Bro, isn't this one? This is someone. Who is this? I think you guys know who that is. They literally taking the characters from this stuff. You can't make this up. This one. Oh, Tommy found something good. Alright, what do we got here? Main focus of tutorial purpose. Main focus of this tutorial on personality. Yes, of course. Just gotta take the same animating on the face, a different character, blah blah blah. Tweaking facial features. Okay. Character types covered, average guy, antagonist, delinquent henchman, friendly guy. What's something that people usually don't draw? Delinquents are like pretty, you know, pretty famous. Henchman. Friendly guy. Friendly guy. Well, owner. Ah, dang. Intellectual. It's like all the same person. Male anime face. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Okay, let's put this here. Younger anime among a male character often drawn with almost the same exact faces of females. So males have longer faces. Yes. Nope. Take note. Take note, guys. Wider chins. Take note. Smaller and narrower eyes. Similar to normal. Take note. So apparently, we have a circle. Okay. And then we have this thing, rectangle. What is this called again? A quadrahedron? Is this a quadrahedron? Hey bro, I gotta go back to elementary. 2 lines on the side. I don't think they say to do this, so I'm just, you know. And then they just throw everything on it. That's crazy. Alright, so from the chin to there, the bottom lip lies here. Okay, so we got a bottom lip here. Somewhere around there. Then in the middle of this is the lips. Yep. Oh. Then you got the nose, nose is like here then, at the circle. Do something like this. And then you go up from here. So on the side of the head, we have the ears within these spots then. Yo, this is crazy. This is my first time drawing anime. This is nice. These are eyes. I expect you to know all this? Bro. Bro, this is hard. Oh. Oh, nah. See, my eyes are crooked. Alright, so I got an eye fold up here. You know, just go with it. Okay, so we got brow. Got another one. Why does his look good and mine looks funny? What did I miss? Okay, and then he erased everything. Dang, why you look like an alien, bro? You look like you pro people. These are the default proportions that the characters in this tutorial were referred to. What is going on? What? Eyes, make a horizontal line. Why would he? Apparently we weren't even supposed to draw this yet. Eyes. Oh, we gotta redo it, guys. We gotta redo it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fine, we'll redo it. Make a horizontal line through the middle of the head and draw the eyes. And draw the eyes below that. I thought they... You said middle, I was expecting this. I think he's something like this. Or why is my line not straight? Okay, whatever. Make another horizontal line between the first line and the bottom of the chin. Between the first line and the bottom of the chin. Between the first line, this line, and the bottom of the chin. Make another so like here? Nose. Position the nose with its bottom at the line used for the bottom of the ears. Position the nose with its bottom at the line used for the bottom of the... What? This? Bro, am I dumb or something? Draw the mouth with the bottom lip between the bottom of the nose. Between the bottom of the nose and the bottom of the chin. So here. Okay. Yeah, I think we did it. Alright, so apparently the ear, this is an ear. And this is an ear. And then he has eyes on this line here. And he has like a line at the bottom. I got 2 lines up top. Okay. Then he has his eyes like this. Then he has like an iris. Yeah. Nose here, I think. The nose like right here. He has a... This is his line. This was the bottom of the nose. Oh, the nose is here. So we got the bottom lip here then. Then he has his brow right here. Now we erase everything. This looks so good. What is the secret? I feel like people get discouraged from art, man. Bro, he's busted. Okay, so we have to draw hair somehow. I'll just copy the reference. Alright, so he has like one egg here. Then it's like this. He has this here. Comes down this way. Okay, we get somewhere, okay. Here. Comes down this way. I got a little bit of line there, yep. He has like 2 of these right here. Then this goes like behind the ear. This way. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's nice. Ooh. My first time drawing, man. My first time drawing anime. I'm liking them. Oh. So why does his look so good, but mine looks like... Man, I'm just not cut out to be an artist. It's ugly. It's ugly. Bro, his eyes are black. He has like blacker eyes. Is it? It has to be what I was missing, right? He just has this. There, does that fix it? What do you guys think? Think it looks good? Is this actually good? Can I post this? Ah, dang, I just came back and looked at this. I was like, bro. It doesn't look bad, but like, it doesn't look good at the same time. And this is for like a disclaimer. Like, I know there's a bunch of people like starting out, and you're gonna look at this and be like, oh, I can't do this. It's too hard. It's like you see what I got from like using this reference. So you know, you see what I'm trying to say. I hope you guys just stick